We can learn cooking either by doing, where test is real, or we can keep on reading the recipe, where test is just an idea. Science is exactly like cooking. We have to learn science by doing it. Or if we keep on reading the concept, we'll have to imagine, and in reality, we'll not understand anything. In many classrooms, science is often taught in words, theory, diagrams, and formulas. But science is not something which can be read. Science has to be experienced. Hi, myself Parshuram Patil, a founder of Xplore Learning Center. I would like to introduce to you Xplore's Mini Science Lab. It is a portable, affordable mini science kit by using which students can feel, touch, and do science in reality. This kit contains material which is necessary for physics, chemistry and biology practicals. This covers almost 200 plus experiments from 8th, 9th and 10th class. This kit also includes a booklet which has all the notes drawn which are explanation of all the activities from class 8th, 9th and 10th. So if student and teacher have this in class, they can demonstrate every single activity, every single experiment that is given in the syllabus.